Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can send an incorrect e-transfer or how you can e-transfer on Scotiabank. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you need to log in into your online banking account. After that, you'll be taken to the home page. Once you're on the home page, right at the bottom, you'll be able to see multiple tabs. From the list, you need to click on Move Money. As you click on Move Money tab, you'll be able to see multiple options underneath. So you need to select whether you're doing an international transaction or a domestic transaction. In my case, I'm doing a domestic transaction. I'll have to tap on Interact eTransfer. After that, you'll be taken to the info page where you need to fill up this form. First of all, you need to enter the account from where you're actually making a transaction and to which account you're sending it, and you also need to enter in the amount. Scroll down to the bottom and slide the button in order to confirm the transaction. So lastly, you'll be able to see the confirmation. If you're sure about the information that you provided, go through it all and click on the Finish tab located right at the bottom. In that way, you can e-transfer on Scotiabank. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.